Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you fully and completely how to set the time on a Timex Expedition digital watch just like this. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So that's right, I'm going to show you and tell you fully and completely, okay, how to set the time on this watch right here, which is a Timex Expedition digital watch right here. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So essentially, here is the time and the date, okay? Now, if you want to set the time, it's really easy to do. You want to basically press and hold down the set button. So over here it says set. It's kind of hard to see because of the weird lighting. The sunlight's shining over here. I do apologize, but there's a set button over here, okay? You want to press and hold down the set button just like this. I'm going to try and do my best to get everything on camera. So press and hold that down, okay? And now, as you can see, we can set time 1 or time 2. We're going to set time 1. So basically it's telling us this is plus and this is minus. So this increases or decreases the value over here, these two buttons, plus and minus, okay? This is done, which means that you're done setting the time. And this is next, which is the next option. So we're going to set time 1. So we're going to push next. And now we're setting time 1. Now let's say we wanted to set it and we wanted to increase the hour because we're dealing with the hour hand, the hour value right now. Sorry about that. I'm dropping this thing. I called it an hour hand and I'm dropping it. So we're going to increase the hour by pushing the plus button right over here. Okay, so it's 10:44. It's reversed on my screen, I apologize. And I'm going to press this and now it becomes 11:44. When you're happy with the hour, whatever hour you want to set it to, you're going to push the next button over here. So I'm going to push next, and now we're dealing with the 44. Okay, so let's say I wanted to decrease it to 40. I'm going to push the minus button until it gets to 40, and now I've set it to 11:40. Okay, I'm going to push next over here. Now, as you can see, the seconds hand is flashing. We're not going to touch that. I'm going to push next again. And then now we're dealing with the date, the month, and blah, blah, blah. So we've now set the time. That's how to set the time, okay? And setting the date is a whole different thing, but it's similar, but it's a whole different video that I'm going to do. But to set the time, that's how you set the time. Very, very simple. Okay, very simple and straightforward. You can also set the AM or PM, obviously, in the same way. And when you're done, you're going to hit the done button, which is over here. You can see it says done. I'm going to push this over here, and I'm now done. I've now come back to sort of the main screen that allows me to read the time. That's it. That is how to set the time on a Timex Expedition digital watch just like this. Easy instructions. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.